And we are on a class 185 Desiro off to Manchester today. Yeah, this train terminates at Manchester Oxford Road, calling at Liverpool South Parkway, Warrington Central, should I say. Banquise on the main line. Yeah, so Liverpool South Parkway, Warrington Central, and that's it, isn't it?
I think so. Is that as far as it goes?
Manchester Oxford Road, yeah.
Alright, I thought it went all the way to Scarborough.
Used to, but then he changed this to the Cleethorpes service, and now I don't know why it's not going to Cleethorpes today, to be honest. It normally goes all the way to Cleethorpes. Via Barnaby.
Oh, I don't know, love. But it's just a fast service to Manchester.
Yeah, which is nice, to be honest.
Yeah.
Now passing Mosson Hill.
Well, we have just gone through Winnes train station. And we are just about to go past Old Trafford Football Ground train station, which is now currently abandoned.
No.
Not yet.
Stop here, yeah. Alright. Yeah, oh yeah.
And here is the disused station, Manchester Football Ground, United Football Ground. And we are at the lift here at Manchester Oxford Road. There we go.
I have some pictures as well. Did you not bring your phone?
No.
Subway. Nice smooth standard lifts here at Manchester Oxford Road station.
Alright, that's enough.
Subway.
Echo.
Echo!
That's enough.
I'm going to stuck on a bloody thing.
Yeah. I would if I prided this door open right here. Just like bleep. Yeah. Then we'd get stuck in it.
Somebody let me out.
It was 185-137 that we just got off. Well, we are just in Manchester city centre. Somewhere down here would be Cottages Cove. Oh well, look at this! It's a temple, and it's shaped like a American subway train station. And we are just getting onto this double tram for Altrincham. We are getting off at Old Trafford. And we are just leaving. We are just leaving the tram stop. I don't even know what tram stop. St. Peter's Square. We're just leaving St. Peter's Square. And we are now at we are now just leaving Deansgate Castlefield now. And we are just passing the railway which we were on about 20 minutes ago, I'd say.
This is a service to Altrincham.
The next station
stop
will be
Old
Old
Trafford.
Trafford. That's where we need to be. Yours for 200 years, Cadbury.
There's the depot.
That's a shitload of trams in the depot. It's a bit trammy. B8 red? What the fuck? Don't know what that's supposed to mean. And we are now coming into Old Trafford where we get off for the... I've already pressed it. Where we get off for the... I forgot where we're going now. And off we get. Hey! Yay! Thank you very much! Fantastic. Film some lifts, but not that sort of lifts. Anyways, yeah, we are just coming into M&S to film the lifts.
Yeah.
Good. Are you working tomorrow?
Let's see what type of lifts. Oh, it looks like we have a Phoenix lift here.
Alright, now going up.
Lift going up.
This is slow as...
This is a Phoenix lift. The capacity is 2 people, 1 person in a wheelchair, 340 kilos. Year 2006, I think.
Phoenix. This,
Serial number U2564.
I bet you this isn't even going like a quarter meter per second, is it?
Why does it say first floor? Don't Americans call it the ground floor the first floor?
Yeah, they do, don't they? This only... At least we found the lift finally.
First floor.
Phoenix lift.
Doors opening.
And we are
Doors
now
opening.
coming back down now in the Phoenix lift.
Doors closing.
Why does it not do that? It doesn't fit
Going down.
That was a bit of a rocky start. Anyways, maximum weight is 340 kilograms. Our 2 people, also 1 person in a wheelchair. So if the 3rd person got in it, it would either break or, I don't know.
Wow, this is a slow one.
This is... It's not even going a meter per second, is it? It's not even going, like... I reckon it's only going 1/10 of a meter per second, which is slow. What type of lift do you reckon this is?
Probably, most likely a Wessex lift.
Wessex. I thought the one in...
Look how slow it is.
I thought the one in the other store was slow.
This seems to be the slowest of all. Yep, it's a Wessex lift.
1/5 of a meter per second this goes.
How pathetic.
You have to physically pull it as well to open it.
Alright.
And you have to hold it this time. I sort of broke it then.
So this is a Wessex lift. The capacity is 400 kilos or 2 people.
And it doesn't even go 1/10 of a metre per second. Wessex.
I'll press the button on the way down.
Okay.
We'll change positions.
Well, hold the button.
Oh my gosh.
You could literally sleep in this lift, it goes that slow.
You have to let go of the button. If I let go of it, it stops.
Yeah.
Don't know why it's got a. I wonder why lifts have stop buttons. They installed the 13th of February 2017.
31st of February 2017. There we go.
Don't shake it.
I wasn't even purposely doing that either.
Don't, please.
This is a Derby lift and it's the fastest one we've seen so far.
I'm absolutely exhausted.
I know.
Wow.
Hold on.
Pull to open. Derby lift. Keep button pressed in. It's a Julie Berry. It's a Julie Berry voice in a lift.
Capacity 400 kilos, 2 people. Year made 2017.
Or one person in a wheelchair.
Well, whatever you prefer.
I can't believe it has a Julie Berry announcement. And it's the fastest one of what even type lift would you call this?
I'll do the one down
Okay.
now.
First floor.
First floor.
Julie Berry Julie Berry lift announcements. This is crazy. Normally you hear Julie Berry on the trains on the Merseyrail network, or sometimes on the London Overground. London North Western Railway also have Julie Berry announcements, and so does this lift. Here, this Derby lift here in Manchester White City Retail Park. And we have another Phoenix lift.
Lift going up. Lift going up.
You have to press this one down and hold it.
Yeah. Don't know why. Like.
Another Phoenix lift, capacity 400 kilos, 2 people. We missed out Halfords. Don't, please.
Okay. You don't even have to do anything. This is the floor thingy. The ledge to the floor. And we are now going down to the ground. What are you doing?
Lift going down.
Getting your hand away from the wall. Don't, please.
And press and hold. This is one of the fastest ones that we've seen so far.
High tech,
High tech. We haven't had a high tech one yet, have we?
made in Sweden.
Maximum capacity is 5 persons or 400 kilograms. And it has Julie Berry announcements. Second lift with Julie Berry announcements. That is so strange. This is the second lift we've been in that has Julie Berry announcements. And here we are. And here is another Phoenix lift. The third Phoenix lift we've had so far. And it's a hydraulic as well.
They're all, some of them, all Phoenix lifts are hydraulic.
Oh.
You have to keep hold of the button.
Sure do.
Yes, you do have to keep hold of the button.
And the load is 2 persons or maximum kilograms of 300 kilograms.
Serial number U2393.
And certificate number is MC01.010.
Lift going down.
There we go. And it is proper wood as well. That's what I was testing, if this is proper wood, and it is. Which is nice. Like the doors are proper wood, isn't it? The lift is a bit raggedy, isn't it?
James birthday today, remind me to get her a card, Tom. Okay.
And this is another Phoenix lift. Look at how many Phoenix lifts do they have here? Can you? No. Oh yeah, it says on
Another Phoenix lift. The capacity is 400 kilos, 2 people.
This is so awkward. Can you hold it? Thanks.
Sorry, that was my fault.
These are a bit awkward to hold onto, aren't they? This is a slow one. Though admittedly it's not the slowest in the retail park. There are slower. Now let's go back down. What? Oh, it's there. That's where the door is. Carbon and glass. I like the one with the wooden doors, and that's quite quick. What are you doing?
Trying to get this button held down.
Yeah. It is a bit of a pain, this button, to be honest. And let's escape. And here we've got yet another Phoenix lift. It seems to be a trend that Whitehall, seems to be a trend here at White City, whatever it's called.
Capacity 400 kilos, 2 people.
Or 1 person and a wheelchair. And this is slow. This goes about 1/4 metre per second.
Lift going up. First floor. Lift going down.
Oh well. I was gonna open it, but hey ho. Anyways, yeah, we are on. Look at the dents here in the. We're in the steel wall, or well, steel, well, whatever you call it.
Ground floor.
There's the training bus, ALX 300. And we are
There's no view with the bus there as well.
just coming back into Manchester now. We are going to stay on this tram all the way to Piccadilly station. Where we are just at Dean's Gate, Castlefield, and we will now continue onwards to Piccadilly station.
While we stand beside of the look at someday.
And we are at Manchester Piccadilly, and here is the statue for the people who died for us. And we are now on the way back from Manchester. I've had a lovely time, although I've not been well, obviously. I've still had a lovely time, and we've got on an earlier train just so we don't get rammed in. And that's literally the reason why we've got on the earlier train, is so that we don't get crammed in going back to Liverpool. Oh, we'll wait. It's alright, we'll wait for the next one. Oh, right, sorry.
Thanks.
Cheers, mate.
Waiting. Bloody legs are killing.
Pardon me.
Have you left them all?
Yeah.
You got the burger left?
Yeah, I've got the burger left. Golf thingy.
Mind the doors, please. Doors opening. Level 5, the car.
And we are now in a Hackney taxi, a TX. And the next place we're going to go to now is Oak Furniture Land, because I know that they will have lists, but we know these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, the first 7 stores won't have some. We know Oak Furniture Land is bound to have some sort of lifts, and I've got a bit of a cold at the moment, so I sound a little bit like Benno. Look at us, we're steaming ahead, aren't we? And we are now in the Hackney taxi.
I'm looking in the kitchen, get some tuna.
Yeah.
Do you still get a signal down here?
Not much of one, no.
Right, you do on the buses, don't you? They've got the Wi-Fi on it, which is
Yeah.
good. Oh, which are your favourite ones?
The Fairway Cabs and the TX1s.
Oh, right, the really old ones. What Mr. Legger had? Them?
I don't care.
One of them. Governor's sorted.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. There it goes.